Okay, so we're going to consider the given circumstances of the monologue, what's happened immediately before the character starts speaking, and how this might affect you physically. So, tell us about what's just happened and what's prompted these words to be spoken.
Okay, so Alice's boyfriend Adrian is transitioning, and Adrian has just proposed to Alice. And Alice is struggling with this because she still identifies as gay. And Adrian has just said to Alice, "You're not gay, you've never been gay," because Alice had previously gone out with a boy and had then fallen in love with Adrian, who identifies as a man.
Great. So before she starts speaking, what's going to be the how would you describe what she's feeling?
Well, she's feeling offended first, and then she tries to justify herself, so she feels a bit defensive. So her body language would sort of be closed.
Right.
She's considering what she's going to say back to Adrian.
Excellent. Perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, action. Give yourself a few seconds. Give yourself a while before you go into the first few words, lines of the monologue. And then I'll just say stop. So we're not going to do all of the monologue, we're just going to do the first few lines just to establish those given circumstances at the beginning of the monologue and how those might affect your physicality and just how you say the words. Okay?
Yeah.
Great. Right. So just get your focus together, just get your thoughts together. 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old at a birthday party at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. And I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was fancy dress. She was a cat.
Brilliant, great. You can stop there. Great, thank you.